In this video, I'll show you how to set up ClickUp Dashboards quickly. ClickUp Dashboards help you see important project information in one place. Instead of opening different lists, tasks, or reports one by one, a dashboard gives you a clear overview of progress, deadlines, workload, priorities, and team activity. First, open ClickUp and sign in to your account. From your workspace, look at the left side menu and click Dashboards. If you do not have a dashboard yet, click New Dashboard or Create Dashboard. Next, give your dashboard a clear name. For example, you can name it Project Overview, Weekly Team Report, Marketing Dashboard, or Personal Productivity Dashboard. Choose a name that matches what you want to track. After that, choose whether you want to start from a blank dashboard or use a template. If you are new to ClickUp, a template can help you get started faster. But if you want full control, choose a blank dashboard. Now it is time to add cards. Cards are the sections inside your dashboard. Click Add Card, then choose what you want to display. For example, you can add a task list, a chart, a workload view, a time tracking card, a priority card, or a calculation card. Next, select the data source. This means choosing which space, folder, or list the card should pull information from. For example, if you want to track one project, choose that project list. If you want a bigger overview, select a full folder or space, then apply filters to make the dashboard more useful. You can filter by assignee, status, priority, due date, tags, or custom fields. For example, you can show only overdue tasks, high priority tasks, or tasks assigned to a specific team member. Once your cards are added, arrange them in a clean layout. Put the most important information at the top, such as task progress, deadlines, and workload. You can resize cards and move them around until the dashboard is easy to read. Finally, share the dashboard with your team if needed, or keep it private for personal tracking. Review it regularly so you always know what needs attention. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.